The hungry bird. Mummy Pig was dancing with her favorite hamburger. Oh no! A strange face appeared at the window. Could this be a bad guy watching Mummy Pig? Mummy Pig remained completely unaware until the strange face left. At night, while sound asleep, a strange loud noise suddenly rang out. Boom, 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 clack, clack, clack. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig were startled awake by the noise. Aha! It turned out there was a giant bird hopping around in the living room. The pink bird, wearing a cute red dress, was hopping back and forth. Oh, the dress and its body had some stains. Perhaps the bird was having some kind of problem. Peppa's whole family stared in surprise at the giant bird's appearance in the middle of the night. The bird's stomach rumbled with hunger. Its belly was huge but trembling with hunger. Everyone understood, and a party was held that very night. Everyone was happy and loved the giant bird. The giant bird pecked away at the food with its beak, and in no time, all the food was gone. Peppa and George loved their new friend, and they all danced together in a cute dance. Peppa Pig and green trees everywhere. At the end of school, Peppa and Pony were very happy and decided to do a good deed. Her friend Pony had a great idea to plant lots of trees. They started by planting their first tree in the park. Peppa used a shovel to dig the soil. Being small, she used a small shovel. Pony, not afraid of getting dirty, used her hands to fill the holes for the trees. Soon, the little path, the park, the small wasteland were full of new green trees. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, and 4 trees. Then more green trees were planted by Peppa and Pony. Peppa didn't mind the hard work of fetching small buckets of water herself. Young trees need water to grow. And watering trees can be fun. In just one afternoon, Peppa and Pony had planted trees everywhere. The little trees they planted today, one day they will grow into wonderful shade trees. When need you call an adult? One beautiful day, Peppa, George, Freddy Fox, and Danny Dog were playing in the park. Freddy Fox and Danny Dog were having a lot of fun on the seesaw. Peppa and George were jumping on the trampoline. Peppa jumped higher and higher. Peppa jumped too high. A bird flew by, and thump! It hit Peppa in the face. Peppa fell back onto the trampoline, hurt a little, and started crying. George initially laughed, but seeing his sister cry, he became worried and ran to call Daddy. Freddy Fox and Danny Dog tried to comfort Peppa. But to no avail. They also ran to call Daddy to help Peppa. When the children felt unsafe, that things were beyond their control, and decided to call for help from an adult, it was commendable. Daddy Pig arrived in time and checked on Peppa, who only had a small scratch on her head. Daddy comforted and soothed Peppa. Peppa stopped crying and hugged Daddy Pig, reassured that she was okay. Daddy Pig reminded the children that next time they jump on the trampoline, they shouldn't jump too high, as they might lose control and fall. Peppa Pig had another health check. Daddy Pig didn't forget to remind them again not to jump too high when playing on the trampoline. Peppa takes care of the dairy cows. In a very cheerful mood, Peppa went to the cowshed that morning and, as always, counted how many dairy cows were left. Peppa loves petting the adorable cows. After counting 4 cows, Peppa felt relieved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bundles of grass, 6 bundles of grass. Aha! There are still plenty of bundles of grass for the cows to eat their fill. But this water trough is broken. Daddy thought about it and made a decision. Aha! I'll buy a new water trough. Daddy signaled the crane operator to carefully lower the new trough. Peppa was absolutely thrilled with the giant cranes and jumped around happily. The new trough delighted both father and son. Daddy checked the quality of the new water trough. The cool water fills the new trough and the cows enjoy it. Hooray! Peppa goes swimming. One sunny afternoon, Peppa's family goes to the swimming pool. Peppa and George are very excited because Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are taking them swimming. As soon as they arrive, Peppa and George happily jump into the pool with a big splash. At first, they have lots of fun, but after a short time, Peppa and George start to feel itchy. Daddy Pig quickly lifts them out of the pool and helps them wash with clean water. Peppa and George are no longer itchy and are safe. Mummy Pig gently reminds them, next time, we should check if the pool water is clean before jumping in. Peppa then says, let's clean the pool. Peppa and Daddy Pig run to get cleaning tools, and the whole family works together to scrub and disinfect the pool. Daddy Pig used the cleaning brush very professionally. In no time at all, the pool was sparkling clean. Mummy Pig carefully sprayed the entire pool with disinfectant spray. Soon, the pool becomes clean and sparkling, ready for a fun and safe swim. Peppa and George were all smiles, looking forward to a fun swimming session. A day off at the beach. The Peppa family chose the beach as their relaxation spot. While Daddy and Mummy took advantage of the morning sun and a nap after a tiring work week, Peppa and George were engrossed in playing in the sand, creating an adorable sandcastle. The morning sky was beautiful. The Peppa family's lunch was simple, consisting of a few snacks they brought along, and they had lunch right on the beach. Daddy and Mummy were planning their afternoon activities, and Peppa seemed to be savoring the fresh air after lunch. In the late afternoon, after exploring the beach and going on a boat trip, the whole family decided to become real dancers. A speaker blasted loud music, and the dance moves began. Shake your hips, raise your arms, shake your hips, raise your arms. Rhythmic, rhythmic. Peppa creates so many unique dance moves. She looks amazing and adorable with the music. They could have been a famous dance group if they had debuted earlier, and this head-shaking, high-kicking, and quick-waving dance is something only the Peppa Pig family can do. A wonderful musical party with these adorable pigs. The The little frog in the bubbles. A little frog is hopping happily on the green grass. Suddenly, a bunch of balloons floats by. Oh no! The frog gets tangled in the balloon string and flies up into the sky. Peppa and Danny Dog are nearby. They see it and feel worried. They quickly run to tell Daddy Pig. Soon, Peppa, Danny Dog, and Daddy Pig fly up in a helicopter. They chase the balloons drifting high in the sky. Daddy Pig uses a net to catch the little frog, but it doesn't work. He tries again. This time, Daddy Pig climbs down a ladder hanging from the helicopter to get closer. At last, Daddy Pig rescues the little frog safely. The frog is no longer in danger. Peppa and Danny Dog gently pet the frog to help it feel calm. Daddy Pig smiles happily because he has done a good deed. What a fun and meaningful day!